Hello, everyone, and welcome to AI.Harmony podcast series. In today's episode, we're going to practice English with a natural conversation at a cafe. You will hear two people talking, listen carefully, and then I'll explain some useful words and expressions. Let's get started. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. By the way, my name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually come here on weekends. The coffee is really good. How about you?
Actually, this is my first time here. My friend told me the cakes are delicious.
Oh, yes, you should try the chocolate cake. It's my favorite.
Sounds amazing. I might order that. So, Alex, where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Madrid, Spain. I'm here for a short holiday.
That's wonderful. How long are you staying?
Just 1 week. I really want to explore the city.
Great. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy meeting new people and learning about different cultures. What about you?
Same here. I usually travel during my summer holidays. Last year, I went to Italy.
Oh, Italy. I've always wanted to visit. Which city did you like the most?
Florence. The art and history there are amazing. Plus, the food is fantastic.
I can imagine. I love Italian food. Pasta, pizza, they're my favorite.
Yes. By the way, what do you do in Madrid? Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a physiotherapist, but I'm also doing my master's degree.
That's impressive. So you study and work at the same time?
Yes, it's a bit busy, but I enjoy it. How about you?
I work in IT, mostly from home, which is nice.
That sounds flexible. Do you like your job?
Yes, but sometimes it gets stressful.
I know that feeling. Anyway, it was really nice talking to you.
Same here, Emma. Maybe we can meet again for coffee next week.
Sure, I'd like that. Great. That was our cafe conversation. Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the dialogue. Have a seat means please sit down. Example, the teacher said, have a seat, class. Delicious, very tasty. Example, this pizza is delicious. Holiday, vacation, free time for rest or travel. Example, I'm on holiday in Paris. Explore, to discover or visit new places. Example, I want to explore the old streets of the city. Culture, traditions, ideas, and customs of people. Example, Indian culture is very colorful. History, the story of the past. Example, Egypt has a long history. Fantastic, really great, excellent. Example, the movie was fantastic. Flexible, easy to change, adaptable. Example, my working hours are flexible. Stressful makes you worried or nervous. Example, final exams are stressful. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get. Example, keep speaking English. Practice makes perfect.
That's all for today's episode of AI.Harmony. You listened to a natural cafe conversation and you learned 10 useful words and expressions. Remember, don't just listen once. Replay the dialogue, repeat the sentences, and practice every day. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next episode of 5 Minute English.